I tried to tell them I'm coming, they tried tuning me out. 7-400 the click, you see what the movement about. Niggas thinking they run it until we moving them out. He disrespect me, I bless him and put the move in his mouth. He's supposed to be calling me Poppy, bitch I'm not Puerto Rican. I keep hundreds of dollars, I'm not even a stripper. That bitch gon' go for the low. By low I mean for the free. I never pay for the pussy, we just get reefer and liquor. What you mean you's a gangster? Man, these niggas is flogging, these actors playing they roles. And straight out the comics, you see the sight of that pole. Get the wolf and I cock it, it escalated any further. Apologies ain't an option. You don't want problems with Young and that boy Bananas for real. They tried to reach out and touch me, so now my hands on the still. And I ain't one for the talking, my only plan is to kill. I fuck around and they have my ass in a slammer for years. Man, I would murder these niggas. I call up my shooters, they coming strapped with them ratchets to rat-attach your medulla. Name my new Nina Stella, keep my young ass in the groove. You even look at me crooked, I put that face on the news. No talk.
No talk. No talking.
Don't talk to me about trill. I get love from the realest. Them folks you see as celebrities, I see as my niggas. I got some little homies 17. A couple of killers told me if I needed anything, they down to be hitters. My OG one who raised me, pops are serving narcotics. They had to grind for us youngins, and that was his logic. Taught me to rumble no matter who. Get wrong, then you slide him. He reach for pole, then you bless him. Man, I'm just being honest. I looked up to big homie, but I'm so much like my mama. We got no love for these hoes. I might get slapped for that comment, but should I keep it 100? Do shit like that cause I'm G. Born and raised down in Inglewood, I came up with the G's. I got love in the hundreds, got thugs over east. Got no rap for 12 cause I don't talk to police. Niggas gossip is cool, just keep my name out your teeth. I get him jacked for his J's and for his Dre's he get beat. I put on for my hood, I'm such a smooth individual. You say you from where? I'm sorry they never mentioned you. I don't fuck with clowns, I don't fuck around. These niggas claiming they killers, they not as tough as they sound. No talking.